Alright guys, this is a Hornets 292 making their airsoft grenade. I'm going to show you how to do it after we just had a test trial. Alright, I'll just show you some stuff that you need. You need a plastic egg, and some airsoft BBs, a drill, some matches, dynamite, scissors, a bottle cap, tape, and that's about it. So right now what you want to start doing is you're gonna get your egg. And when you get your egg, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to you're gonna need to put three holes on the top right here. And the ones on the side are gonna be a tad bit bigger than the one in the middle. So I'm gonna work on getting it a little bigger right now, alright? Alright, after we got a little bigger, you're going to start out. So what you really want to do is you're going to get some BBs, or sort of airsoft bullets, and you're going to stick them straight in the bottom of your grenade. That's the first step. You need to get some more. That's good. Alright, so after that, what you're going to do is you're going to get your dynamite, or we can start by getting matches. So after you got your matches and everything in there, the step that you have to do after that is to build a pin. So this is a pin pull grenade. So what we did was we got a box of matches right here and cut the sides off of them where you struck the matches, taped it around tape, and then a bottle cap right here. So when you pulled it, it will ignite the matches, which will ignite the fuse. It goes all the way down to the dynamite and blow up. So before that, I'll show you what to do. Let me do a good match. Gotta be pretty big at the end tips. Alright, so once you got your matches, so you gotta see and look and see. You can see the hole pretty good. But what you want is for the whole entire head to be able to go through there, so I gotta drill some more. Alright. Alright, so let's see if they fit in there now. There's some on this side, looks pretty good. Alright, should work now. Alright, that's good. Alright, so what you're going to start out doing is get your duct tape and get, this is a bad cut, so I'm going to just clear this off real quick. Getting this off. So I'm going to cut this off. Alright, that's what I need. Alright, right now, I'm just going to get a clean little piece of duct tape right here. Cut it. Alright, after we got this piece, what we're going to do is we're going to tuck about this high off, so we got some room up that top when we get there. Alright, so when you tape it around like that, so when you do that, if you plug it up in there like this, it won't go all the way up like that. It's because the duct tape is holding it. Alright, so you do the same thing to your other piece of tape. Alright, after you do that, wrap it around, do the same thing, that side, so they're about even length, like that. Then after that, what you want to do is you're going to get 2 pieces dynamite. Let's get some 2 pieces. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to start out by sticking the matches in there. Alright, once the matches are in there, you're going to want to put your 2 pieces of dynamite through there too. Just make that center hole a little bigger. Alright, so stick your pieces of dynamite in there like that. Stick 2 pieces in there. This. So you got everything standing up like that, nothing's gonna fall through. Alright. Oh yeah, next step is close your capsule. Nice and snug. And try to get your dynamite pieces up like this. Maybe twist them together, I don't know, just keep them close kind of so they'll both catch on fire. After that, we get them like this. So your whole thing, after we went over it, like that. Now, how to build this is to get like a matchbox like this. Cut out the sides right here, like these sides right here and that side right there, and get them opposite sides so they'll go together like that. They get duct tape, wrap it around so it'll be closed. Then you get your pin. So when you get your pin, you get your capsule, enter on there, and pull, and that's how you ignite the fuse. And that's how you build a grenade.